Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Satyabrat Sahu, MDDM clinical pharmacologist, and today I am going to ask you a case based question, and you have to write down in the comment box about what are the drugs that are to be used in this case. A male patient of 60 years old coming to OPD with chief complaint of right side abdominal pain, vomiting, and yellowish discoloration of the skin, and the patient was diagnosed as gallbladder stone by doing ultrasound. Please write down in the comment box what are the drugs that are to be used in this case for the management of gallstone. Thank you very much. Jai Jagannath.